What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be unboxing our 10 kg Cnfans. So if you guys want to check out any items, check out the spreadsheet. We have over 8,000 items that you guys can choose from. If you guys want to get cheaper shipping, make sure to use that sign up link. And now let's open this thing up. This took a bit to open, but we finally got it open, and we have some Chrome Hut stuff, as we can see. And now let's check it out. So onto the first item, we have some Chrome Hut shorts, if I'm not sure. Let's check these out. Let's see. Oh yeah, these are the same ones that I got on right now. This is what they look like on, and honestly they're super clean. If you wear a tank top with them, 100% a cop. I think these were around about $20 if I'm not sure, which is a complete steal. But yeah, now let's check on the next. Oh shit, we even got some Chrome Hut caps. They're well packed. Damn, I don't have teeth anymore, what the fuck. This is what it looks like when you put it on. It's fully leather. I don't know, it doesn't match me. I bought it because my black friend wanted it, so it's probably gonna fit him. Black goes good on black. On the back side we have the Chrome Hut logo, and yeah, now let's check on the next cap. On to the next one, we have another Chrome Hut cap. Damn, these are so shitty packed, because every time you open them you have to wear them on a head, otherwise they look how bad they look when you don't have them on a head. This is something how it looks like. This was another $10 too. This is what it looks like. I look like a guy which is gonna go cut down some trees, but honestly for the price you're paying, a complete steal. Now let's check on the next one. On to the next one, we have a belt from Chrome Hut. Now let's check this out. And this is fire. This is what the belt looks like. It has a lot of crosses in there on them, leopard crosses. And yeah, honestly, a completely steal. Can't really deny it. I think these were $15 if I'm not sure. And yeah, on to the next item, we have a watch. This watch was around about $7 if I'm not sure, but you have to order a minimum of 2. But let's check this shit out. This is how the watch looks like. Honestly, for the $7 you're paying, it's a super clean watch. Let me put it on and show you guys. It looks something like this when you wear it. I have to get it set for my hand, but honestly for $7 you can't really complain. And now let's check on the next items. On to the next items, I think we have some Supreme jerseys if I'm not sure. I really didn't see this, but now let's check it out. Oh shit, this is fire. This is Raf Simeon's. This is how it looks like, and now let me put it on and show you guys, by the way. Honestly, if you guys want something calm, oversized, I would 100% recommend this. This is what it looks like on the back side. And you're only paying $35 for this, and it's super clean. And yeah, now let's check on the next item. On to the next item, we have some glasses. Now let me open them up because they're well packed. So they come with a small leather case, as you guys can see, which opens up magnetic if I'm not sure. Let me check. Yeah, it opens up magnetic and closes. Super nice. And now let's check on the glasses. It comes with a paper on it, or what do you call it? That's what the glasses look like. I think this is Gentleman's. No, this is Mascot Lemon. Let's take a look. This is what they look like. Honestly, I think they're super premium glasses, so that's why I bought them. And yeah, now let's check on the next item. By the way, these were $20 if I'm not sure, and the quality on them looks insane. Just take a look at them. I think these are removable lenses, right? These are removable lenses. And yeah, now let's check on the next item. On the next item, we have some. Oh my god, wait. Gotta open them up.
2 hours later.
On to the next item, we have some Air Forces. As you guys can see, these were a total of $15, which is a complete steal for clean Air Forces. And yeah, just look at the quality. 100% recommend it. Check out the spreadsheet. And on to the last and final, no, we have 2 more items. On to the next item, we have some easy slides. Let me take them out. As you guys can see, we have some easy slides. I don't know why I bought them, but why not? I mean, these were $4 if I'm not sure. And yeah, honestly for $4 you can't really complain. It also comes with a slide box. And now let's check on the last item. And on to the last item, we have some LV skates. Just take a look at them. The quality is super nice. By the way, these are $50. You can check them on my spreadsheet. And yeah, just look at them. If you guys want any items, check out that spreadsheet, and peace out.